Okay, I think that's...
5,146 liters of water every month is your pledge.
That is
help
my pledge.
129 people in rural India meet their daily minimum needs. That's it, guys. That's, I think I'm hoping each and every one of you, thank you, Farhan, for doing that. And I hope all of you also end up taking this pledge. Give him a round of applause, guys. And of course, we'll be a little later.
Can you share with them which website they should go to take this?
Yes, I've got actually there are a couple of places over here. As soon as we wrap up, you can actually take the pledge here, and there are gentlemen who will be running you through everything, including the websites that you can visit to take the pledge. Now, the global problem, ladies and gentlemen, is one huge... Farhan, your pledge, and we'll be revealing a lot more later to it. But for now, thank you so much for being here. Give him a huge round of applause. Thank you, Farhan. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's not only us trying to save water, but also asking you to wait a bit longer till we reveal the impact of Imtiaz Ali, who presents Pani Panchayat. We have Mr. Aniruddha Roy Chaudhary. The film's name is Baiju, and it's directed by him. And of course, Mr. Madhur Bhandarkar, who presents Ek Balti Pani. Thank you all so much for being so gracious, taking time out, and of course, fronting these wonderful short films. Let's have a round of applause for them and the wonderful work. And now I'd also like to call Farhan back on stage to join us here. Thank you, Farhan. And of course, Swati Mohan. Oh, you're already here. You have arrived. Over to you, Swati, for a nice little chat.
It didn't make sense not to have Farhan as a filmmaker as part of this panel. Ladies and gentlemen, just look at this photo up on its own, which we can do later, but we can do now. But okay, first of all, let me just say it's been a real privilege to work with each one of these gentlemen. And you've just seen a trailer of the movies. And trust me, they are, each one of them, very, very impactful films. And you must watch them when they release on 28th April. We were actually also, very delighted that we had people take out their precious time from their mainstream cinema work and really come and be part of National Geographic Mission Blue. So just to begin, I think it's not going to be a long panel discussion as such, but I think a question we can start with is really saying, as storytellers today, and each one of you, all 5 of you are storytellers, do you really think when it comes to trying to impact social change, behavior, habits, thinking, do you think this art form of filmmaking, or whether it's Hollywood or Bollywood, is actually making that difference happen? Madhur, we can start with you.
Good afternoon, everybody. Well, I think it's an amazing platform. And the best part is like short film or a feature film always makes impact. And water is definitely a very vital issue today we are discussing globally. And I feel like all the storytellers, all the filmmakers from different perspectives they have got for the water issue. And film definitely makes impact. And it's definitely connects with people. And I think you all have given an absolutely great platform for everybody, for us. And especially when you all came and Anand came to me, who directed this short film. And when he told me about this concept, I was really thought, my God, is National Geographic doing this thing? He said, yes. I was very happy for it. It's completely different for you all coming into the mainstream and doing this kind of short film which will make aware globally and connect globally for everybody.
No, thank you. I think, Anirudh, if you can just talk about, you've made one of the most socially provoking films. What do you feel about, really stories making an impact of social behavior?
Yeah, I'll tell a story, when I was very young, when I was 2 or 3 years old, I still remember, my nanny used to tell me, You know, in Bengali, there is a proverb, is bindu bindu kore shindu hoy. It means every drop of water is responsible for a river. And a river is responsible for a civilization. So I think water is extremely precious, more than diamond. If you don't have diamond, it will hurt your ego or cosmetic problems. If water is problematic, you die, period.
No, absolutely.
So when we get an opportunity to tell a story in this platform, I think I grabbed it. You know, I love to tell my stories, and any kind of audiovisual which is engaging, entertaining, and informative, I think today's people, they love it. So thank you for giving me this opportunity, and it's a simple, engaging story. Watch it, and I think we change. We change watching films, reading books, listening to music. So let's see.
Hansel.
Yeah, I think, we as storytellers, through our stories, I believe we can engage. We can engage with a larger mass. And, this opportunity, when it came to me, I was very keen on doing it. And then I had many stories. And I said, how do I do it? There was a time commitment issue and all. And then, two things happened. I joined the nepotism debate. My son came up with a story, multiple stories, and he came up with a story. And I said, this is great. He said, do you want to direct it? He said, yes. So him and his co-writer wrote this story, a very, very impactful story. And I said, it's a great platform. If somebody, a young boy, has this level of awareness and wants to bring it out to the world through Nat Geo. So I'm really thankful, for multiple reasons, that we are presenting such an important issue to the world, and it's being directed, it's my son's directorial debut. So, I'm glad to, join in the whole nepotism brigade for something that is meaningful.
No, absolutely, absolutely. Imtiaz.
As we were discussing, I have a personal connect with water, because my father has spent all his life in irrigation projects in rural India. And it's towards the eastern sector of the country. And I've seen him going out and working for irrigation in villages and in faraway remote places. And even though it was not very highly rewarding or paying for him, but he couldn't get away from what he knew about the importance of water in these places. And with him, I've had the good fortune of actually visiting some of his sites while he used to design irrigation projects and conduct them. And I also, of course, have grown up with realizing how important water is, how it is important for the prestige of people in the village. And I also fortunately have kind of a connect between what happens in a city and what happens so differently in a village as far as water is concerned.
That's right.
So, and apart from what I've seen, I've also heard so many stories about water and rural India from my father, that it became an extremely, I couldn't miss this opportunity of doing something, one story at least, and the story also is, in a way, something that had happened in my dad's life, and a concept that they had come up with called Pani Panchayat. So I thought this is the best way of actually reaching out what my dad is going to try to say anyway to everybody. And so that's really my personal connect for doing this.
Well, thank you. I'm glad we could be a platform for that. Now, Farhan, as supporter of this cause, our key partner, and also, ladies and gentlemen, our brand ambassador of National Geographic as well, what do you feel in terms of stories that can really drive a change today? Is that happening through the films we're making? Is that happening through, and since you helped us put all of this campaign together as well?
Right. I'd say you have 4 filmmakers here on stage, whose work has always generated conversation about the issues, the topics that they've chosen to make films about. And that in itself, I think, is an example of the power of engaging storytelling. And when it comes to an issue that's as vital as this, which affects every single person, You know, I do feel that these films will go a long way in creating awareness and in definitely creating conversation between people, because people love watching something and then talking about it with their friends, with their family. And if it has something that they could learn from, you know, or then educate somebody else through, then I think it would be a wonderful thing. Absolutely.
Well, thank you, each one of you, because each one of you have played an important role. And largely, I know that you've all taken the pledges as well, so we will keep you in waiting a little bit longer till we reveal the results. But thank you so much. And as filmmakers who have made enough films, and many that have really got to the minds of many and had them really think about some of these causes, we're just privileged that you're part of this campaign. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you all so much. Request you all just please be on stage, please remain on stage.